Now we are discussing about healthcare activities. In that healthcare activities, yard work is also a good activity. Yard work means in your garden, in your land, in your lawn, you can prepare something. You can do some work that will also reduce your health problems. So yard work is also a good exercise. What is yard work meaning? That is involved in taking care of the plants, trees, paths, etc. in your yard. What it is called when you do yard work? You might call yourself a certified landscape professional or a land care operator or simply landscaper. And then the next point is which one is an example of yard work? Moving the land, mowing the land, that is MOWING, mowing the land, yard work definition. Moving, mowing the land is an example of yard work. Work done in maintaining a land and related landscape activities. Does your, and next point is, does yard work count as exercise? Yes, absolutely. Yard work is also counted as an exercise. Doing yard work is a great cardiovascular exercise. Your activity while raking leaves, sweeping the patio, mowing the land, and pulling weeds is a great way to increase oxygen flow to the heart, aids in arterial flow, reduces blood pressure and stress, and gets your heart rate going. And it will give yard work will give very good peacefulness, and some your mood also will be very happy by seeing the yard work is giving a good cleaning means it is also a happy thing. What next point is what is grass expert called? As stated above, most individuals that represent themselves as a horticulturist, arborist, turf gas specialist, or landscape architect should have a degree or advanced degree in horticulture, botany, biology, forestry, arboriculture, turf grass management, or landscape architecture. Next point is why do you call a person who mows the land? Mows means MOWS, mows the land. The phrase you see in the US in the sides of trucks loaded with land mowers is landscape maintenance, hence landscapers. The alternative is the guy girl who mows the land. Next point is how do you keep up with yard work? 5 easy ways to reduce yard work. Builds, build paths you can move over. Stone or paver paths that follow the topography of your yard. Let you mow without additional trimming. Mulch trees and skip trimming. Install mowing borders. Set your mower blade at the right height. Fertilize your lawn once in the fall. How often should you do yard work? That is the next point is how often should you do yard work? A typical schedule is very 1 to 2 weeks to keep your yard looking good. Pest, weed, and disease control are maintenance services that occur on a less frequent basis. And then the next point is can yard work help you lose weight? Yes, absolutely. A University of Arkansas study found that yard work is as well as weight training more significantly maintained bone density that aerobics, dancing, or bicycling in women over 50. And for those of us trying to lose weight, and 30 minutes of gardening to your daily or weekly routine to help shed some extra pounds. Is digging holes good exercise? Digging is one of the highest intensity gardening activities, pushing down with 1 foot, turning over the soil, then down on the other foot, and bringing the soil to the top engages multiple muscle groups and forces you to get your hands dirty. And then next point is what to do. Detachers. Detachers means THA, TCHERS, detachers. What do detachers do? A detaching machine has blades that cut through and remove thatch to the soil surface. Those with knives or blades are preferred over those that use rake-like tines. Rent a detacher from a big box store or equivalent equipment rental company. They are heavy, so you will need a truck and a friend or two to lend a hand. Two to lend a hand. And then next point is, how do you clean a yard full of weeds? Restoring a lawn full of weeds in 10 steps. Step 1 is, next point is, how do you clean a yard full of weeds? Restoring a land full of weeds in 10 steps. Step 1 is, identify the weeds you have, select a proper herbicide, apply the treatment, wait it out, rake until detach and aerate means aerate, detach and aerate, amend the soil, lay down seed or sod. This is the information regarding cleaning your yard full of weeds. This is the information. All this yard work is a very good art and it's a happy thing to do also. Wishing you all the best.